Hey guys, it is Stocklock Sunday and today I have a U.S. Navy made by Wilson Bohannon in Ohio. It's a little, how big is it? 28 millimeter padlock. Oh, I forgot the focus, sorry about that. 28 millimeter, so almost 30. I have no key. I got this from William Mansell. Alright, let's give it a try, shall we? Come on. There we go, I think. Alright, see if we have a tensioner. This may be. I don't think that get cut, so let's try that. And a hook. I have my finger here under the camera. Let's turn it a little bit. Pin 1. Nothing. 2, if we can get under, a little click, and 3, 2 again, nothing on up. Actually, I forgot to see how many pins there is. It seems like it's only 3. Try again here. Nothing on 1. Little movement on 2. Nothing on 3. I think, if I can. Yeah. Nothing on 3. Click it on 2. Nothing on 1. Okay. Let's try another tension wrench. Whoops. Because it seems like I have enough room anyway. Let's try this one. Nothing on 1. A little bit on 2. A little bit on 3. And there might be 4 pins in here, I'm not sure. We could also... I'm not sure if it's because I get cut. Last time I tried this, although it's a few weeks ago, I last tried this one. It opened pretty easily, so I hoped it would today as well, but seems like I am wrong. Oh, a slight turn. I'm not sure if this can go counterclockwise, but oh, it can. It might can. I actually think I'm open but it seems like I can't open this count. Oh, there we go. It could open counterclockwise apparently. I just had to push a little bit. Yes, it's open. Okay, a little bit unexpected because last time I took it clockwise, I think. So a little bit unexpected, but it is open. All right. And it seems like it's an all brass lock actually. Very nice. It's definitely going to be a nice lock for my collection. I'm not going to lock it because I don't have a key. And it is going to hang with the other padlocks. Alright guys, a little unexpected picking for Stock Lock Sunday. Thanks for watching and have a good day.